Food spa early in the morning. What a life. That's easy as ABC. So
Didn't even need the gun.
yeah. So we need this gutter for our water pump. So this is the start of the day for our morning. So that's the, yeah. So what a beautiful day. Look at that. And you have to make it screw, yeah, this one, so that it will tighter. Good morning, world. Welcome back again. Yeah, so we're going to make the gutter here for our water pump. So starting for our work today is all about the water. We're going to hold up lots of water for our water tank. Keep more water, save for the summer. So this is the start for our day. After picking the eggs, feeding the chicken. There, here. So just like that. Wow! Whoa! That's my driver! So this is for outtake. So there we set up our pump, ready to pump water in there. Yeah. Ahead a little bit. There. Okay, up. So we're going to pump water to fill up that tank. This is the fourth load. It's almost full, so it's 5 with this steel tank to fill it up, that big tank. So we're done pumping 5 of this steel tank fit in here. So that will be, we have now 5,500 liters only. We cannot make it really full. Yeah?
That birdhouse is sitting there.
Where?
Nesting in there.
Where's the bird's house?
Right there.
Oh yeah. Look at that. There's a little bird sitting in here.
And one day I just seen one go inside.
So it means there's a nest in there. Hey, don't make a bed in there. Because in our nest in there. Because you know why? We're going to move that soon. See, I can see the other one. Is that a purple martins?
No, it's a tree swallow.
Okay. Yeah, there I can see the head. Yeah. Can you imagine that? We need to put it up soon.
So we got another one of these down there.
Yeah.
And we've got the opposite end of that. So we can put it on there.
So today's vlog, today's work, and today's video is all about hauling water. Oh, we're going to haul the water to stock in the tank, ready for summer. Since we fill this tank, we're going to proceed to the another tank to fill it up too. So we need to move the pump. So now we're going to pump the water in this tank. In here, we fill it up, all the tank that we have before they plant the field. Of water just this morning. This is the 8 trips to fill up all the tank, and we are not done yet.